Hello people! This is Fun with Equations, and today we are going to plot the emblem of Shazam. Shazam is a superhero in the DC Comics. Young Billy Batson, when he utters the word Shazam, acquires the powers of Solomon, Hercules, Atlas, Zeus, Achilles, and Mercury. He may have access to the powers of all the aforementioned gods, but we have the power of mathematics and Python at our disposal. With that power bestowed upon us, we shall plot the emblem of Shazam. This is the emblem of Shazam. It is more of a lightning bolt. As we can see, it is composed of straight lines. Let us consider this as a piecewise equation and plot it. These are the set of equations of the individual lines. The idea is to pick a range of x coordinates and calculate the value of y in each equation, and plot the resulting points. This would give us the emblem of Shazam. Let us take it step by step. We'll plot the lines, one by one, and see if they form the desired shape. Let's get down to it, shall we? This is the equation of the line that forms the top part of the emblem. It is a horizontal line at y equals 3. But we do not want the lines to go on forever, do we? We need to cut it off at the desired limits. That is the purpose of the square root parts attached to it. Those are the bounds, outside of which we need to refrain from plotting the line. In this case, the bounds are set at x equals minus 0.75 and x equals 1.5. Outside of these bounds, the value inside the square root becomes negative. We all know that the square root of a negative number is imaginary. So, it will not show up on the plots. Hence, we use this to our advantage, and cut the line at the desired places. Similarly, in this case, we draw an inclined line, 2.69x minus y plus 5, and cut it off at y equals 1.1 and y equals 3. We repeat this exercise for all the other parts of the emblem, which are all straight lines. When we are done with plotting all the equations, this is what we get. A nice little emblem of Shazam. Now that we are done with framing the equations, let us plot them using Matplotlib and Python. Additionally, we use NumPy for calculating the points. We form a mesh grid, with -5 and +5 as limits, and an interval of 0.01 units. We create a figure of appropriate dimensions to draw the emblem on. For each equation, we calculate the points of the line. We also calculate the spaces where the equation is undefined, owing to the square root parts. Once we are done calculating the points, we make a contour plot over the mesh grid. Watch the emblem of Shazam come to life, with the power of mathematics in Python. For more fun with equations, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. I'll meet you again with another interesting video. Until next time, happy learning! Thank you.